Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to configure the smart plug with your mobile device. First open the box and take out the menu book and the plug first. At the first page of the menu book that has two QR codes for iOS and Android system. Scan the iOS QR code to download and install the app software. Then plug the smart plug in power and wait for about 20 seconds. The blue light will stay on at the beginning. After a few seconds, it begins to slowly blink like this. Okay, now go back to the device and click Settings and Wi-Fi to connect iOS device to OKSP3 in the Wi-Fi single list. Then open the app, enter client configuration page, select internet connected single from the Wi-Fi box, enter Wi-Fi single key into the key box and then click configuration status. Now you can notice that the blue indicators slow blink and then fast blink and finally turned off. Okay, it's a successful configuration. Now let me test it. Now you can use your device to turn on and turn off. You'll see it works correctly. Thanks for your watching.